Hey everyone, it's Melody from KW Hometown. Welcome to this beautiful home at 1312 Locust Ave Voorhees. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms all together and 2,928 square footage. It has 4 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bathrooms, and downstairs you also have a bedroom and 1 full bath. There's a huge deck outside, it's beautiful. Also in a big fenced-in yard, 3-car driveway and full finished basement. Everything is brand new, new kitchen, new flooring, mostly new windows, new roof, new water heater. HVAC is relatively new as well. You have plenty of storage in the kitchen, big and beautiful island. It's located at a great location with great schools. Come check it out yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Definitely come check it out yourself. Open house is Saturday and Sunday, 24th and 25th from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. If you couldn't make it for open house, you can always contact me at 856-536-0980 for a private showing. Bye!